Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making braised oxtails. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 2 pounds of oxtails, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2.5 cups of beef stock, 1 cup of red wine, 1/2 of an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 of red bell pepper, 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper, 3.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 12 baby carrots, 2 sprigs of thyme, 1 sprig of rosemary, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. In a small bowl, combine the salt, pepper, and onion powder. Now mix until well combined. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your oxtails. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your oxtails, then mix, making sure that each piece has been well coated. Now sprinkle your seasoning mixture over your oxtails, then mix, making sure that each piece has been well coated. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then add your remaining 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now sear your oxtails on all sides. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, along with other recipes, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. I have provided a link in the description below. After you have browned your oxtails, remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. Now add the onions, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper and saute for 2 minutes. Allow your veggies to soften and pick up those brown bits on the bottom. Add the garlic and continue sauteing for an additional minute. Now add your red wine and Worcestershire sauce. Add the tomato paste, then mix until well combined. Return your oxtails to your Dutch oven, then pour in your beef stock. Now add your carrots, rosemary, and thyme, then bring your liquid to a boil. Cover, then transfer to your oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees and allow it to cook for 2.5 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft